This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
Hello there and welcome. Welcome, Gary.
Good morning.
Good to see you. Yeah. We have got a viewer email today. We're going to pop it up there on the screen. Can you be held to a contract if all of the services you signed up for are not available? For example, the gym I have a contract with is not holding the classes I like to take, and I am uncomfortable using the equipment during this pandemic.
Yeah, I think that's a pretty easy answer. I would cancel. If they're not giving you what you'd anticipated, it's not their fault, but it's not your fault either.
Right.
And I would cancel. I can't believe they're holding you to it. I think most gyms are doing better than that. But if it's impossible for them to fulfill it, then it shouldn't be your obligation to continue to pay either. So I'd stop payment on the credit card or whatever it takes. That's simple.
Yeah, there you go. There you go. Not everything's being held up.
It's going to be troublesome for a lot of contracts like that, but I just don't know any other fair answer.
Yeah, very good. Well, thank you for helping our viewer out there.
Good one.
Yeah, in other news, is there any legal news to report this week?
There's a lot going on, and nationally, politically, the coronavirus stimulus package we're waiting on. I think there's a lot to unravel in there. The immunity issue is something to be watched. Who's going to have immunity? Employers are going to have immunity. Store owners are going to have immunity. How far does this reach? What's the scope of it? How long will it last? That's a real issue. We're not really paying much attention to. We're talking about how many dollars are going to be paid out in unemployment, but immunity granted to people for being grossly negligent, I think, is really what we're concerned about. Everybody's trying. If you're trying, I don't see any exposure anyway.
Right.
Because we don't know, and proving it's hard anyway. But gross negligence is an issue. On an insurance level, there's some news. We're seeing lawsuits pop up against the insurance carriers for auto reimbursements. Back in March, we got 15% back maybe on our car insurance. They're saying in these suits that was woefully underfunded. It should have been 30% or more because of such limited driving that was going on. There's going to be a dispute there. Where I see it for small businesses will be if I have insurance or workers' comp and I don't have anybody working.
Right.
That impact? What's the risk of getting hurt when you're working on your computer at home? Do I have workers' comp exposure for you tripping on the way to the refrigerator?
Mm-hmm.
I don't think so, but it's changing. There's going to be a lot of disputes, I think, and a lot of discussion about what should be refunded from some of these premiums that have been paid.
Yeah, very good. Thank you so very much, Gary. We'll see you on the next Legal Break.